Hello, guys, and welcome back to our series. We are going to be adding the finishing touches of our website that will help our site visitors navigate our site faster. For today's video, we are going to be adding a back to top button. So let's get started. On the Wix editor, go to the plus button. Go to button and look for the back to top button, this one. Don't worry about its design, we can customize it later on. But first, let's drag and drop it to the lower right corner of our page. Now we're going to click on it and click on link. Make sure to select top or bottom of page and then select top. Click on done. Great. So whenever a site visitor clicks on it, they'll automatically be taken back to the top of our page. Now let's pin it so that it stays in place. So right click on your button and select pin to screen. Make sure to pin it on the lower right of your screen and then you can close this window. Now, in order to change its design or its appearance, click on it and click on the design button. Go to customize design, and over here you can change its background fills, etc. So go ahead and customize it however you want to. Once you're done, you can go ahead and click on save to save your progress. And it's as easy as that. You now have a back to top button that will make navigating your site easier for your site visitors. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit the like button and subscribe for more Wix tutorials. Thanks for watching, and we hope to see you guys in the next video.